Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, remember to click the subscribe button and also remember to press the notification bell so you will be notified each time I upload a new video. And also remember to give me a thumbs up at the end of the video if you really like my video. Yes. Hi, today you can see I have a haul of Gucci unboxing to share with you guys. Okay, this all this item I bought it when I was traveling at the Gucci outlet. Yeah, so today I shall share with you guys what did I bought in this video. Okay, firstly I have 3 items. Okay, so let's come to this first item first that I bought. Okay, so basically this doesn't come with a box. It only come with a so-called like this dust bag, which is the typical white dust bag Gucci logo on here. Yeah, okay, so we shall come to the unboxing. Okay, the first unboxing okay I got is this Gucci clutch. Okay, so this one I guess should be is spring. I think it should be spring summer 18 collection. Yeah, so this is like it's a like monogram, the typical monogram of the Gucci. Yeah, and actually on the front part you can see this is the front. This is the front part, which there is a so-called like they are Angry Cat. Yeah, this is the Angry Cat collection. Yeah, so and on the back there is nothing, just very typical of their monogram GG Marmont logo. Yeah, so this is canvas. Yeah, this is in canvas. I like this clutch is because I can carry it in this way. If let's say you want to show the Angry Cat, and if let's say you do not want to show the Angry Cat, I can just carry this way. And this one is like the typical GG logo monogram, so that you even you bring it out like maybe a few years later, it's still okay if you do not want to show the Angry Cat, because there is a plain side here. So yeah, so to me I quite like this design. And this is canvas. It's only the zip part here is a bit of leather, tough leather. Yeah, basically I quite like this because it's quite easy to store. You can see it's on the top cover, although there's some folder that is you can open like a 7 here, zip from here to here, but this one is just on the top part, which I think is good enough because you can easily store or take out anything from the clutch. Okay, so okay, basically this is the so-called the paper inside. Yeah, so this one inside you can see here. Later I show you all nearer. Okay, so inside there is only the Gucci logo here. Yeah, the label. Then and also there's a 25 here. So I guess maybe I'm not sure about this, but maybe it's their anniversary or something like so there's a 25 inside. Yeah. So basically there isn't any pocket inside, just a big folder here, just so you can easily put anything, and also you can take out anything from the folder quite easily. Yeah, so maybe I shall show you guys nearer. Okay, so this is the Angry Cat, and this is the plain monogram. Yeah, and inside this is the part where there's a label Gucci here and 25 here. So yeah, So this is the first item, yeah, that I unboxed with you guys. Okay. So now let's go to move on to the second item that I bought. Yeah, okay. As I mentioned, okay, the second item, the person, I did request from the sales associate a box, and they did to give me a box. But I'm not sure whether this is the box for this item, but I think they just give me one. Okay, so I shall unbox with you guys now. Okay. Okay, so it also come with a dust bag. Yeah, same dust bag as the previous. Yeah. So let's see what did I got it. Ta-da! Yeah, you guys can see. Yeah. This is the Gucci collection, but this is quite unique. Yeah, because I quite like this collection because I find it is quite different because normally this one written as Gucci, but actually you know Gucci is Gucci, but they put it as a Y. So if people who do not know might thought this is like what collection is this from? Yeah, actually this one is like their logo, this one Gucci, this logo, actually they are so-called they are using the, you know, in the past there is a Sega 16 bits the game. Yeah, they're using the logo, the wording. This wording is like the Sega, it's the same in the same format. So yeah, see, Gucci seek the permission from Sega before they put this format. Yeah, so you can see is this is the whole thing, this is in calf leather, which I quite like it very much because calf leather is of course it's a bit higher price. Yeah, because it's it's calf leather. So this one is like in gold printing on the leather. Yeah, there's a lot of tiny star and also like so-called borders around this Gucci. Yeah, so on the back there isn't any, just the star and the borders here around. Yeah, but there is a handle here. Maybe I'll unwrap and show you guys. Okay, so there is also a leather here. So not usually people, you can just put your finger here, safeguard your folder or clutch in case of thief or anything, and you just hold it this way. So your finger can be just locked inside here, in between this leather slot here. Then okay, as for the inside, there's one pocket. Okay, there's one pocket, and there's also written a letter here written Menestissimo. Yeah, this is yeah, I think this is this collection name. Yeah, and basically yeah, it's quite simple. This is, as I mentioned, this one you can see this zip is like a 7. You open the 7. Yeah, this is like a 7. But this one is on top only. So this is the top and this is the 7. This is quite easy to get anything out if you want, or you can just, usually if you want, sometimes you can just like, close in this manner and you just leave the top open, so you can easily get anything inside and outside easily. Yeah, okay. So I shall show you all nearer this collection I got. Okay. This is with the Sega wording, and also this is in gold, and this is also on the back also with gold and the border, and this is the handle. Yeah, and inside there's a pocket here, and also here there's a word magnetismo here. Yeah, okay. Okay. Oh, I forget to mention to you guys today what I'm wearing. Today I'm wearing this neon orange MSGN, as well as the track pants from Supreme. Oh, if you guys haven't watched my video, remember to go back to my channel and go to the video to watch my unboxing from the Farfetch, which I got this neon orange MSGN unboxing. Yeah, okay. So we shall proceed to the last unboxing. Okay, from this, the shape, I guess you guys can guess what it is. Okay, this is also same collection as with this folder. Okay, I shall unbox with you guys now. Okay, this one you can see the box is very nice. It's so-called it's a limited collection. This is the Return Spring Summer 18. Yeah, this box is quite unique from their usual this black and white. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Okay. And this is quite unique also because this shoe dust bag is also same as the box. You can see. Yeah, so it's come with two shoe bag. Yeah, so actually I quite like those brand that they give two dust bag, because so you can put one shoe into each when you go traveling, so they won't rub against each other. Yeah. Okay. So now let's see what is this item that I bought. Okay. So I got myself this shoe. Can you guys see? Yeah, it's actually similar, same as this design. As I mentioned, this is same with the folder, but this is in the shoe. This is also the shoe is all in calf leather, and here written Gucci. Yeah, and there's a star all over the shoe. And this one is my right foot, on the right foot, so the Gucci will be here, and on the left foot the Gucci is on the other side, so when you wear it, you can see on both sides. So yes, and for me this is black and this is with the gold logo. It's quite easy to match. These are so-called they stick on to the leather. Yes, and also on the back there is a two bees behind here, but both is in red. Yes, both is in red in color. And yeah, this is the sole. On the sole there is also the bee on the sole, on the both sole. Yeah, so yes, okay, so maybe I shall show you all nearer, and also I'll show you the dust bag. Okay, so this is the shoe dust bag. Okay, and this is the shoe. You can see there's star all over, and here written Gucci, the B behind, and the sole. You can see there's also a B here. Yeah. Hope you guys like my video today. Yes, my whole Gucci haul. Yes. Hope that you guys will like my video, and remember to click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel, and also remember to give me a thumbs up on my video so that it will give me more motivation to share with you guys more video. Yeah, bye bye. See you guys in the next video.